Cloud, Nuvim. Hello, and welcome to the Opto Minute. I'm Renee, and wanted to tell you that you're already living in the cloud. Whether it's tracking a FedEx package, storing your family photos, being on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, putting in all of your customer data at the end of the day, or even your Ring doorbell. How it applies to us is typically the cloud's being used to talk to physical devices and either do some high-tech analytics or maybe even some dashboard visualizations. The good thing is we already have, I even made a video on the Waterford Township case study in which two AWS cloud instances are being used for SCADA, different parts of the country, millisecond response times. I'll leave a link so you can check it out. Another popular one is using the cloud for analytics. Intrinsics Imaging is using it for real-time quality control of roof tiles. Mega AI is using it for energy insights to give you double-digit savings on your double-digit energy savings. So more cloud possibilities. Call the guys at 4AR. They put me on the cloud next business day, fully managed cloud service. If you're not using them or someone, the clouds are just passing you by. Have a great weekend.